How to install or upgrade OS in Cisco Nexus Switch N5K. After inserting USB, if your USB is not showing up or mounting on switch, then format USB to FAT32 format. This will be done on computer or laptop only. This is how you can do it. Then insert your USB to switch. Take console on putty. Copy the kickstart image into the switch. Use command copy space USB1 colon N6000 hyphen UK9 hyphen kickstart dot whatever the version you are using dot N1 dot 1 dot bin space boot flash. Copy the system image into the switch. Use command copy space USB1 colon N6000 hyphen UK the version you are using dot N1 dot 1 dot bin space boot flash. Then go to configure terminal. Set the boot image, kickstart and system. Boot space kickstart space boot flash colon N6000 hyphen UK 9 hyphen kickstart dot the version you are using dot N1 dot 1 dot bin. Then exit. Then check image, show boot. Then copy the configs. Copy space running hyphen config space startup hyphen config. Then check images again. Show boot. Then type reload and select Y. You have successfully installed or upgraded OS in Cisco Nexus Switch N5K.